Students of Agrawal Manishka 2019 batch. It is my Hussein Boliwala and my co-anchor Asmita Bhave's pleasure to welcome you all here today to celebrate the next generation of doctors graduating from our esteemed institute.
Far beyond being just a profession, MBBS is in itself an emotion. It's a very beautiful journey of a span of 5.5 years with numerous ups and downs, tears and smiles, struggles and celebrations, memories, friendships, learning, growing up and being a better version of ourselves. और इस पूरे जर्नी की कुछ बात ही और है. थोड़ा हंस के, थोड़ा रो के, थोड़ा लड़ के, थोड़ा गिर के हम कुछ ऐसे जिए. इस खूबसूरत सफर में कुछ खास पल यूं बिताए कि अब जो ख्वाब पूरे हुए वो मंजिल भी साथ लाए. अलविदा कहते कहते मानो हम अपनी एक दुनिया पीछे छोड़ाए.
Enduring this journey is not something one can do with only their wits. One needs the grace of God, be it in clearing exams or treating patients. क्योंकि सच तो ये है कि डॉक्टर भले ही दवाई देता हो पर इलाज भगवान करता है. From darkness of ignorance and fear to the light of knowledge and strength, this journey has truly enlightened us in every sense. And so, to commence the beginning of this end, I would like to invite on stage Anushri Katari and Damayanti Datta to recite the Saraswati Vandana. Let's have a huge round of applause for all the respected professors who have graced our congregation with their presence today. To begin with, I would like to welcome our Dean, Dr. Vishala Pandyaram, to grace the stage with her presence. A visionary leader, an advocate for academic excellence, and a beacon of inspiration. Our Dean Ma'am, Dr. Vishala Pandya Ma'am, ENT HOD, who has placed a pivotal role in building a strong foundation and shaping the educational landscape of our institution. Under her guidance, our medical college has flourished, become a hub for not just academic brilliance, but also for fostering compassion, resilience, empathy, and a deep sense of responsibility and dignity among all the students. It is an honor to have you here at our event, ma'am. We thank you for your presence.
Next, I invite Dr. Ojaswini Malukar ma'am, Head of Department of Anatomy, Additional Dean. They say a cadaver is our first teacher, but for us, Dr. Ojaswini ma'am is the one who taught us the language it speaks. Ma'am's dedication to teaching and making concepts clear has not only inspired countless students, but has also put them at ease with a detailed and intricate subject like anatomy. We are thankful to you, ma'am, for joining us here today.
Now, it's our pleasure to invite on stage Dr. Anup Chandnani sir, HOD of the Department of Anesthesiology and the Medical Superintendent of our hospital. His efforts behind the scenes are a major reason for the smooth functioning and prestige that our college has earned over the last decade. We thank you for gracing us with your presence today.
Next, I welcome Dr. Amol Bedi sir to grace the stage with his presence. Dr. Amol sir, Head of Department of Surgery, Additional Medical Superintendent at our college, is known for his commitment and passion for his profession. With years of experience under his belt, he has not only refined his surgical skills to perfection, but has also dedicated himself to imparting his knowledge to the newer generations of medical professionals. We are extremely grateful to have you here, sir.
Our former dean, Dr. Mayur Adalja, to grace this stage. His leadership has been crucial in shaping the young minds in both academic and clinical landscapes. His speeches and life lessons have inspired excellence and strength among both students and fellow healthcare providers. We heartily welcome you to this event, sir.
May I request all the respected faculties to please light the traditional brass lamp to formally inaugurate the program today.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
To welcome all the faculties, Dr. Mukesh Dinkar sir, HOD of Physiology, Dr. Sunil Nayak sir, HOD PSM Department, Dr. Prakash Bhabur sir, HOD of Pharmacology Department, Dr. Ashish Shah sir, HOD of Obstetrics and Gynecology Department, Dr. Anand Patel sir, HOD of Respiratory Medicine, Dr. Kedar Mehta sir, Associate Professor, Community Medicine Department, Dr. Parag Chawda sir, Associate Professor, Community Medicine Department, Dr. Ajay Rathwar sir, Associate Professor, Anatomy Department, Dr. Hiren Soni sir, Associate Professor, ENT Department. We welcome you all.
Is me, Pratham Agarwal and Manya Jalati. May I now request our Dean, Dr. Vishala Pandya, HOD ENT, to please come up to the podium and address the gathering.
મોર્નિંગ એવરીબડી. આજના દિવસે ખાસ આમંત્રિત વાલા વાલીઓ, માતા પિતા, વાલા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને મારા સાથી સહયોગી ફેકલ્ટીઝ બધાનું હું ખૂબ ખૂબ સ્વાગત કરું છું. જે 2019 બેચ આવતા વેત બહુ ટફ સમય મેડિકલમાં એડમિશન લેતા હોય તો બહુ ટફ સમય જેમણે તરત જ જોવો પડ્યો, એ બેચ આજે ગ્રેજ્યુએટ થાય છે. એમને ગ્રેજ્યુએશન સેરેમની ઉપર દરેક વિદ્યાર્થીને હૃદયથી ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. આજે તમે એક જિંદગીના એક સરસ પડાવ પર આવી ગયા છો. જે તમારું સપનું હતું અચીવ થયું છે અને આ પડાવથી આગળ જ વધવાનું છે. દરેકના રસ્તા અલગ હશે. હવે દરેક અલગ અલગ સ્પેશિયાલિટીમાં પોસ્ટ ગ્રેજ્યુએશન કરશે. ઘણા જનરલ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશે, કોઈ વિદેશ જશે. દરેકને શુભેચ્છાઓ સંસ્થા તરફથી અને મારા અંગત તરફથી. ખાસ કરીને હવે આટલો સમય 5.5 વર્ષ તમે બધાએ સાથે એકબીજાની સાથે સહયોગથી સહકારથી પસાર કર્યો છે. હવે રસ્તા ભલે જુદા થશે, તમારો સાથ સહકાર સચવાઈ રહેશે, જળવાઈ રહેશે એવી શુભકામનાઓ. હવે મારે થોડું એ કહેવાનું છે કે આગળ તમે વધશો, થોડીક મુસીબતો પણ આવશે. કદાચ તમને જે જોઈતું હશે તે નહીં મળે, કદાચ જે અણગમતું થોડું સ્વીકારી લેવું પડશે. પણ એ દરેક વખતે સાચું શું છે, ખોટું શું છે, તમારી જાતને પૂછજો. અને જે તમારાથી બને તે હંમેશા કરજો. દર્દી માટે, માતા પિતા માટે, સમાજ માટે, આજુબાજુના લોકો માટે. જે તમે કરી શકો છો તેમાં કદી પાછીપાની ન કરતા. એટલે કોઈ દિવસ તમને અફસોસ ના થાય કે આ તો હું કરી શક્યો હોત. એ એક વસ્તુ છે. અને બીજું, તમે શું કરી શકશો એના માટે તમારે જાતને વારે ઘડી ઇવેલ્યુએટ કરવી પડશે કે વોટ એમ આઈ એબલ ટુ ડુ, વોટ ઇઝ માય સ્ટ્રેન્થ, વોટ ઇઝ માય વીકનેસ. આજ સુધી કેવું છે, ટોળામાં, ગ્રુપમાં આખું સ્ટુડન્ટ બધા ભેગા હતા, બેચ હતી, એટલે ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ સ્ટ્રેન્થ, ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ વીકનેસને આપણે બહુ ધ્યાન ના આપ્યું. પણ હવે જ્યારે આગળ વધવાનું છે, you have to critically evaluate yourself. What I like, what I don't like. In which place I am comfortable, where I am not comfortable. So give some time. Like you, all of you are planning to appear in PG NEET, and many of our students gets admission in many different institutes. So that will be the first year, and there you may feel alone or aloof. But at that time, give some time to talk with yourself. What you like, what you don't like. Focus on what you like. Try to get that experience more and more. Try to avoid. It is not totally possible to avoid whatever you don't like. But try to avoid, ignore or bypass the things which are not that comfortable. So that will really help you. Another thing I wanted to tell you is, don't follow someone blindly. Like someone is doing something wrong, so and nobody is doing anything to him, I will also do that. That is absolutely not good. કોઈ ખોટું કરે તો આપણને ખોટું કરવાનું લાયસન્સ મળતું નથી. સો ઇફ કોઈ ખોટું કરે છે એને તમે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરીને એને તમે પનિશ નથી કરી શકતા, એવી તમારી લિમિટેશન્સ છે, ઓકે, એને સ્વીકારી લો. પણ એના માટે તમે પોતે ખોટું કરવા માંડો એવું ના કરશો, કેમ કે એ તમને પણ પોતાને ભવિષ્યમાં ઢંકશે. સો તમારાથી થાય તે કરો. ઘણી બધી વખત એવું થાય છે ને કે પહેલો કામ નથી કરતો તો હું શું કામ કરું. હોસ્પિટલ સેટઅપમાં પેશન્ટના માટે પહેલાં કંઈ કામ ના કર્યું તો મારે શું કામ કરવું, આ એટીટ્યુડ કાઢી નાખજો. જો તમે કરી શકો છો કરી નાખો. દર્દી માટે, કોઈ સ્ટાફ માટે, કોઈ કલીગ માટે, ઘરે મમ્મી પપ્પા માટે ઘણા બધી વખત એવું વિચારે છે ને કે બે ભાઈઓ હોય, પેલો તો ફોરેન જતો રહ્યો, એ કશું કરતો નથી તો હું શું કામ મમ્મી પપ્પાનું કરું, એવું નહીં વિચારો. તમે કરી શકો છો કરી નાખો. સો દેટ ઇઝ ધ સ્મોલ થિંગ. whatever you can do. કોઈ ખોટું કરે છે તો તમે એને ફોલો ન કરો. તમને પોતાને ખબર છે સાચું શું છે, ખોટું શું છે. જાત સાથે થોડો ટાઈમ આપો. try to evaluate yourself, what is right, what is wrong. આજ સુધી તમને ગાઈડ કરવા માટે અમે બધા હતા. કદાચ અમે ન હોઈએ તો પણ we are very sure that you all will be able to drive your path correctly. Wish you all the best. Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for such encouraging words. I'm sure they'll guide all the students to thick and thin. Now, may I request the medical superintendent of our hospital, Dr. Anup Chandnani sir, HOD of anesthesiology, to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Such an encouraging speech from our dean madam. Just to go ahead, just remember the day when you stepped in the campus. From that day till today, we all witnessed you. We've seen your resilience, your courage, and your inquisitiveness, your thirst for learning. This all characteristics what you all have been having, that has made the difference and that has brought you all here on this very special day. This journey began with all your late night, with keeping awake, studying hard, going to the hospitals, going to the wards, staying in the college with the teachers, upcoming all the challenges you have faced in this 5 years. The challenge began right from your 12th standard. The challenge will keep on going. But yes, you have done it all. You just succumbed against all the odds. You proved yourself, and today is the day what you have been waiting for. And let us celebrate it. Let us enjoy it. And we are all here to witness you and to wish you all the very best as you will be embarking on the next chapter of your life. Your graduation is over. Maybe whatever you will pursue in future, that all will depend upon your courage, your dedication, and basically it would be the blessings of your parents, that unwavering encouragement and support all throughout these years. They will still be there life throughout. As you all will be leaving this hall today after the graduation ceremony, those memories, those nostalgic moments which you have spent for the last 5 years within your friends, your peers, your teachers, your college, whatever it is those memories that will stay with you lifelong. Keep on cherishing those memories, but apart from that, the take-home message for today would be, whatever you are doing, just have the courage to just go into the unknown. Try to explore the unknown with that courage, with that sincerity, and with that thirst of learning new things. We all are a part of a society. That society will now be a different picture. All that juicy picture that was there till your graduation days, those are over now. You will be facing the crowd, you will be facing the world, you will be facing different personalities, and still, with these basic qualities of integrity that has been taught to you, the empathy that has been taught to you in this college, these qualities that have been instilled in you, I request all of you to just be there, be strong enough, try to reason everything, try to develop your thinking and explore the unknowns with courage and be successful in whatever way you are thinking, whatever path you are taking. The take home message for today is that this is what our college is. Just go out, keep your mark on the world and outside the name of JVS Medical College, Bhutri. I wish you all the best. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind and enlightening words. Now, I would request the students of the outgoing batch of 2019 to please stand up for the Maharshi Charak Shapath. Raise your right hand forward and repeat after us. हे द्विज, पूर्वाभिमुख होकर पवित्र अग्नि एवं विद्वानों की साक्षी में प्रतिज्ञा करो कि मैं अपने अध्ययन काल में संयमी, सात्विक तथा अनुशासित जीवन व्यतीत करूंगी। गुरु के अधीन होकर पूर्ण समर्पित भाव से गुरु के कल्याण तथा प्रसन्नता हेतु पुत्रीवत आचरण करूंगी। मेरा व्यवहार सतर्कतापूर्ण, सेवापरायण तथा उद्दंडता और ईर्ष्या से रहित होगा। मैं अपने आचरण में संतोषी, आज्ञापालक, विनम्र, निरंतर मननशील एवं शांति संयुक्त रहूंगी। गुरु के अभीष्ट लक्ष्य के प्राप्ति संपूर्ण सामर्थ्य से प्रयत्नशील रहूंगी। चिकित्सक के रूप में अपनी सफलता, यश एवं अर्थ प्राप्ति के लिए मैं सदैव अपनी विद्या का उपयोग प्राणी मात्र के कल्याण हेतु करूंगी। अत्यधिक व्यस्तता एवं विश्रांति की अवस्था में भी मैं दिन रात रोगी की सेवा हेतु आत्मवत तत्पर रहूंगी। निस्वार्थ एवं अर्थ लाभ के लिए किसी रोगी का अहित नहीं करूंगी तथा पर स्त्री एवं पराये धन की कामना नहीं करूंगी। अनैतिकता मेरे विचारों में भी नहीं आएगी।
मैं सदैव मधुर, पवित्र, उचित, आनंदवर्धक, सत्य, हितकारी तथा विनम्र वाणी प्रयुक्त करूंगा तथा अपने पूर्व अनुभवों को उपयोग करते हुए ज्ञान के विकास एवं नवीनतम उपलब्धि के लिए निरंतर प्रयत्नशील रहूंगा। किसी स्त्री की चिकित्सा उसके पति अथवा आत्मीय की उपस्थिति में ही करूंगा। रोगी के परीक्षण के समय मेरा विवेक, ध्यान एवं इंद्रिया रोग निदान हेतु ही केंद्रित होगी। मैं रोगी अथवा उसके घर से संबंधित गोपनीय बातों का प्रचार नहीं करूंगा। मैं मरणासन रोगी की विवेचना नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि वह रोगी अथवा उसके आत्मीय जनों को आघातकारक हो सकती है। मैं अतिरिक्त विद्वान होते हुए भी अपने ज्ञान की अभिव्यक्ति अहंकार रूप में नहीं करूंगा, क्योंकि इससे रोगी के स्वजन तक अपमानित अनुभव कर सकते हैं। मुझे न राज्य की, न स्वर्ग की, न मोक्ष की आकांक्षा है। मेरी आकांक्षा दुख से तब प्राणी मात्र का दुख दूर करने की है। थैंक यू एवरीवन, यू मे प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स।
Now may I request all the respected faculties on the stage to please take their seats in the audience. MBBS is much more than a 4-letter acronym and even much more than a degree. It's a whole new experience, a whole new world in itself. It's no less than a saga, a different journey altogether. और क्या खूब कहा गया है, सफ़र खूबसूरत है मंजिल से भी। इस सफ़र में साथ चलने वाले राही कब जिंदगी का खास हिस्सा बन गए पता ही नहीं चला। Who knew that those few people we met during college would end up becoming the best of friends for life, from being a part of our journey to a part of our lives. And as someone has truly said, it's not legendary unless your friends are there to see it.
And you know what, guys? Every program is incomplete जब तक एक musical performance ना हो. And who better to perform that musical performance than our very own college band? Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please welcome on stage Symphony! साल का पूरा नॉस्टैल्जिया 8 मिनट में दे दिया यार. Amazing. Good. Can we have a round of applause, please? Next, we'd please like to invite the stage faculty back on stage so that we can begin the felicitation. We'll be starting with roll number 1 to 62. So if they could please line up, that would be really helpful to us. Thank you so much.
Dr. Ojaswini Maluka ma'am, HOD of Anatomy. Dr. Kedar Mehta sir, Associate Professor of PSM Department. Dr. Amul Bedi sir, HOD of Surgery. Dr. Ashish Shah sir, HOD of Obs Gynae Department, to please come up on stage.
Dr. Gopal Agrawal. Next, we have Dr. Mayur Baldania, son of Mrs. Vasant Ben and Mr. Jatin Bhai Baldania. Next, we have Dr. Dhridiman Baldania, son of Mrs. Ila Ben and Mr. Kishore Bhai Baldania. Dr. Sohil Bandi, son of Mrs. Farjana Ben and Mr. Mustafa Bhai Bandi. Dr. Chanvi Barod, daughter of Mrs. Shilpa and Mr. Jitendra Kumar Barod. Dr. Bhumi Bavadia, daughter of Mrs. Rekha Ben and Mr. Ram Bhai Bavadia. Dr. Shruti Bhaveshi, daughter of Mrs. Varsha and Dr. Chatur Bhaveshi. Continue the clapping, guys. They have earned it. Dr. Kevin Bhagat, son of Mrs. Kapila Ben and Mr. Suresh Bhai Bhagat. Dr. Bhavesha Bhaktani, daughter of Mrs. Leena and Mr. Fanchun Bhaktani. Dr. Jai Bhatt, son of Mrs. Vaishali and Dr. Sailesh Bhatt. Dr. Jugat Bhatt, son of Mrs. Mayuri and Mr. Hiren Bhatt. Dr. Pushti Bhogyata, daughter of Mrs. Meeta and Mr. Harish Bhogyata. Dr. Prakash Bhuria, son of Mrs. Savita Ben and Manoj Bhai Bhuria. Dr. Jaideep Bhut, son of Mrs. Kailash Ben and Mr. Rasik Bhai Bhut. Dr. Madhvi Bijani, daughter of Mrs. Bharti and Mr. Harish Bijani.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now, I request Dr. Anup Chandanani, sir, and Dr. Hiren Soni, sir, to felicitate the next 15 students. First, we have Dr. Vivek Bosa, son of Mrs. Kavita Ben and Mr. Nilesh Bhai Bosa. Next, we have Dr. Krituna Kumar Charil, son of Mrs. Urmila Ben and Mr. Ravji Bhai Charil. Next, Dr. Devang Chauhan, son of Mrs. Urvashi and Mr. Kanti Bhai Chauhan. Next, Dr. Bhavika Damod, daughter of Mrs. Ela Ben and Mr. Nilesh Bhai Damod. Next, we have Dr. Vedansh Darji, son of Mrs. Malti and Mr. Devang Darji. Next, we have Dr. Riya Das, daughter of Mrs. Uma and Mr. Ratan Kumar Das. Keep clapping, guys. Next up, Dr. Darshan Desai, son of Mrs. Komila Ben and Mr. Chiman Bhai Desai. Next, Dr. Devanshi Desai, daughter of Mrs. Rashmi and Mr. Anand Rai Desai. Next, Dr. Jainil Devani, son of Dr. Manisha and Dr. Bhavesh Devani. Next, Dr. Dakshil Dulera, son of Mrs. Nita Ben and Mr. Poonam Bhai Dulera. Next, Dr. Blessing Gamit, son of Mrs. Geeta Ben and Mr. Ashwin Bhai Gamit. Next, Dr. Yuvraj Bokhari, son of Mrs. Bhavna and Dr. Manu Bokhari. Next, Dr. Shivani Gohil, daughter of Mrs. Madhuri and Mr. Ghanshyam Bhai Gohil. Next, Dr. Kumardeep Gohil, son of Mrs. Seema Ben and Mr. Kiran Singh Gohil. Next, Dr. Mandeep Singh Gohil, son of Mrs. Sangeeta Ben and Mr. Mahendra Singh Gohil.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now may I please call upon Dr. Ojaswini Malukar ma'am and Dr. Kedar Mehta sir to felicitate the next set of students. So coming up is Dr. Prayag Gopani, son of Mrs. Deepika Bell and Mr. Deepak Bhai Gopani. Next is Dr. Gaurav Gudrashia, son of Mrs. Savita Ben and Mr. Lakman Bhai Gudrashia. Next in line is Dr. Ankur Hadiyal, son of Mrs. Meena Ben and Mr. Vasudev Bhai Hadiyal. We have Dr. Rahim Banu Hafezji, daughter of Mrs. Gulshan Hafezji and granddaughter of Bhaktiyar Ahmad Natalwala. Next we have Dr. Reema Banu Hafezji, daughter of Mrs. Gulshan Hafezji and granddaughter of Bhaktiyar Ahmad Natalwala. Now we have Dr. Janvi Hevlani, granddaughter of Mrs. Saraswati and Mr. Mangaram Gehani. Next is Dr. Karan Jadhav, son of Mrs. Kiran Ben and Mr. Bhagwan Bhai Jadhav. Next, we have Dr. Uttam Jalandhara, son of Mrs. Prabha Ben and Mr. Govind Bhai Jalandhara. Dr. Rakesh Jha, son of Mrs. Deepa and Mr. Dilip Jha. Next, we have Dr. Mitiksha Jogani, daughter of Mrs. Pushpa Ben and Mr. Vijay Bhai Jogani. Next, we have Dr. Maurya Joshi, daughter of Mrs. Archana and Mr. Amit Joshi. Next, we have Dr. Khatija Juneja, daughter of Mrs. Nur Jahan Ben and Mr. Ismail Bhai Juneja. Next, we have Dr. Amisha Kanuja, daughter of Mrs. Gajra Ben and Mr. Rasalu Bhai Kanuja. We have Dr. Jignesh Kanzaria, son of Mrs. Bhavna Ben and Mr. Tribhuvan Bhai Kanzaria.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Amul Bedi, sir, and Dr. Ashish Shah, sir, to please felicitate the next 15 students. First up, we have Dr. Mihir Kapadia, son of Mrs. Reshma and Mr. Dharmesh Kapadia. Next, we have Dr. Harshit Kapadia, son of Mrs. Gauri and Mr. Divyang Kapadia. daughter of Mrs. Kantuben and Mr. Purushottam Bhai Kapadia. Next, Dr. Payal Kapadia, daughter of Mrs. Vijaya Ben and Mr. Kaveen Bhai Kapadia. Next, Dr. Rutvika Kapse, daughter of Mrs. Daksha and Mr. Prakash Kapse. Next, Dr. Vansh Kashiwala, son of Mrs. Manisha and Mr. Tejas Kashiwala. Next, Dr. Dhruv Kasundra, son of Mrs. Madhuben and Mr. Ramesh Bhai Kasundra. Next, Dr. Himani Kasundra, daughter of Mrs. Jayashri Ben and Mr. Rajesh Bhai Kasundra. Next, Dr. Avneet Kathiria, son of Mrs. Gulab Ben and Mr. Bharat Bhai Kathiria. Next, Dr. Pranjal Kolaria, Lakkad, daughter of Mrs. Alpa and Mr. Pankaj Kolaria. Next, Dr. Janvi Kucharia, daughter of Mrs. Bhavna Ben and Mr. Rajesh Bhai Kucharia. Next, Dr. Vaishnavi Limaye, daughter of Mrs. Vaishali and Dr. Ambar Limaye. Next, Dr. Veda Maisuria, daughter of Mrs. Sonal and Mr. Himanshu Maisuria. Next, Dr. Harshita Makwana, daughter of Mrs. Nirmala Ben and Mr. Vinod Bhai Makwana. Next, Dr. Isha Mali, daughter of Mrs. Jyoti and Mr. Nimesh Mali. Next, Dr. Heta Manavadaria, daughter of Mrs. Daksha and Mr. Kailash Manavadaria. Next, Dr. Trupti Mehta, daughter of Mrs. Ansuya and Mr. Mukesh Mehta. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Aditya Jain and Jetun Patel to the podium to continue the felicitation ceremony.
All of the students that have been felicitated up until now. Next, I would like to invite on stage Dr. Mayur Adalja sir, former Dean of the college and Associate Professor of Respiratory Medicine, along with Dr. Sandeep Shah sir, HOD of Psychiatry and former Dean of Kodra. Along with them, I would like to invite on stage Dr. Mukesh Dinkar sir, HOD of Physiology, and Dr. Anand Patel sir, HOD of Respiratory Medicine. Next, and along with them, I would like to invite on stage Dr. Prakash Bhabor sir and Dr. Ajay Rathwa sir. Could roll numbers 63 to 124 please line up backstage?
We request Dr. Mayur Atalja sir and Dr. Sandeep Shah sir to please felicitate the first 15 students.
Dr. Shruti Mishra, daughter of Miss Punita and Mr. Manoj Mishra. Dr. Yash Mistry, son of Mrs. Ankita and Mr. Kamlesh Mistry. Dr. Riya Mittal, daughter of Mrs. Anupama and Dr. Mohit Mittal. Dr. Yukta Modi, daughter of Mrs. Anjana and Mr. Milind Kumar Modi. Dr. Mulla Abdul Asim, son of Mrs. Mulla Ajmira and Mr. Mulla Abdul Omer. Dr. Divyesh Nakum, son of Mrs. Manjuben and Mr. Dulabhai Nakum. Dr. Raghav Nathwani, son of Mrs. Binduben and Mr. Bhavesh Bhai Nathwani. Dr. Todharmal Nilama, son of Mrs. Ramila Bhen and Mr. Kasubhai Nilama. Dr. Rushi Panchal, son of Mrs. Vipula Bhen and Mr. Rajesh Kumar Panchal. Dr. Tanvi Panchal, daughter of Mrs. Falguni and Mr. Dipesh Kumar Panchal. Dr. Ruhi Panda, daughter of Mrs. Sikha and Mr. Gautam Kumar Panda. Dr. Keers Parekh, son of Mrs. Chekha and Mr. Viren Parekh. Dr. Nirmit Parekh, son of Mrs. Prerna Ben and Mr. Sandeep Kumar Parekh. Aditi Patel, daughter of Mrs. Mrs. Shilpa and Mr. Naresh Patel. Dr. Arpit Patel, son of Mrs. Deena and Mr. Pravin Patel.
Thank you, Dr. Mayur sir and Dr. Sandeep sir. Now may I request Dr. Mukesh Dilkar sir and Dr. Anand Patel sir to please felicitate the next set of students. Dr. Amnika Patel, daughter of Mrs. Kajal and Mr. Nitin Kumar Patel. Dr. Bhavya Patel, son of Mrs. Neema and Mr. Kalpesh Patel. Dr. Charlie Patel, daughter of Mrs. Urvashi and Mr. Raju Bhai Patel. Dr. Deep Patel, son of Mrs. Sheetal and Mr. Ketan Patel. Dr. Disha Patel, daughter of Mrs. Pragna and Mr. Deepak Patel. Dr. Dikshit Patel, son of Mrs. Chandrika Beg and Mr. Snehal Bhai Patel. Dr. Harini Patel, daughter of Mrs. Sarita and Mr. Jitendra Patel. Dr. Jigar Patel, son of Mrs. Bali and Mr. Jagdish Bhai Patel. Dr. Jinal Patel, daughter of Mrs. Pallavi and Mr. Amrit Patel. Dr. Khushi Patel, daughter of Mrs. Yogita and Mr. Utkarsh Patel. Dr. Nirali Patel, daughter of Mrs. Lata and Mr. Rakesh Patel. Dr. Palak Patel, son of Mrs. Sarla Beg and Mr. Manu Bhai Patel. Dr. Parth Patel, son of Mrs. Rubal and Dr. Anand Patel. Dr. Prince Patel, son of Mrs. Varsha Beg and Mr. Arvind Bhai Patel. Dr. Saad Patel, son of Mrs. Munira and Mr. Sajid Patel. Dr. Smith Patel, son of Mrs. Jaymati Ben and of Mr. Anand Bhai Patel.
Anand sir and Dr. Mukesh sir.